My name is Mwiri Jackson. I teach biology and physical education in Busoga High School in Kamuli District, Busoga region. I am introducing to you how to use audios, videos, and images to achieve the learning objectives. We already use a lot of digital media in our daily life and in schools, like watching videos, looking at pictures, and listening to music. Some of us even create our own videos to help students learn. Media should not just be fun or entertaining. It should help us to achieve the learning objectives. According to Richard Mayer's cognitive theory of multimedia learning, there are 3 things to remember. 1. Our brain processes information in 2 channels, visual and auditory. Showing images and talking at the same time, students remember and understand very fast. 2. Our working memory is small, so too much text or too much images can overload it. But combining images and short audios or explanation helps students focus and avoid confusion. 3. Students can easily link new information to what they already know. Multimedia works best when it is clear, structured, and help them to build mental maps of the topic. Note: keep it simple, avoid many words, animations, sound, and flash effects. Highlight key points, break lessons into smaller parts, and keep videos like 5 minutes with clear visual and good sounds. Some of free tools and media banks to use are, we have Pixabay for images and videos, Canva for infographics, MindMasters for mind maps, etc. Videos are great showing real action. I wish teachers good luck when they're applying this one in class. Thank you.
Yo.